Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now today in front of me is a 1983 Ferrari Mondial Quattrovalvole, and if you're looking for the full review video that I've actually already done on this car, I'll make sure to link that above. But in today's video, all we're going to be doing is taking this out for a spin, POV style. So let's do it. Now, some key things to point out here before you set off in a Mondial, that this is a dogleg transmission. So to go into first, it's not actually going to be to the left and up, it's going to be to the left and down. And also the handbrake is on the left side here. And to engage the handbrake, you pull it up just like you would in any other car. But in this car, you also, when you want to disengage, you have to pull it back down and pull it up again, and then release it and then push it down again. That sequence seems like a lot, but that's just how it's made. Maybe it's because it's an Italian car, right? But let's get some audio going here. Let's fire it right up. Seatbelt for safety. Oh, this is going to be a treat. So for those that don't know, this is actually my first time ever driving a Ferrari, let alone anything with a gated manual transmission. So this is going to be a very memorable moment for me. The manual transmission itself, once it's all warmed up, it's very easy to operate. The clutch engagement is pretty straightforward. It's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. For some reason, I thought that it was going to be more difficult since, you know, this is an older vintage Ferrari. And it doesn't even have power steering, but you get very used to it very quickly. God, what a wonderful soundtrack. This is like a dream come true for me. I feel like a kid. Never would have thought I'd be sitting here driving a Ferrari, but here we are. Let's see how she does. So much satisfaction just in the clicking of the gated shifter that I feel like every petrol head on earth needs to experience. Loves to rev up to 5,000 RPM. Not as torquey as some other cars, but just the symphony behind you of that V8, it's really something. And I know I'm probably not doing this car any justice by my shifting, but I'm still getting used to this. You have to be a little gentle with it when you're putting it in gear. You can't slam it. You have to kind of wait for the synchros to line up. But you could drive this every day, seriously. It's very civilized, very comfortable. It's not gonna be a minivan or anything like that, but do you really expect that with this kind of a car? Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.